So hi friends, many are asking regarding the advanced auditing CA final main material soft copy, because many are asking me regarding sir, how to buy the final material of yours. See, I don't want to sell commercially, but I want to make the soft copy freely available. Okay, after receiving so many requests from past almost 8 months. Since 8 months I've been receiving so many requests. So after having a word with a few of my friends, after thinking thoroughly, decided to release this soft copy version, which is unlocked, unsecured. You can happily take print. Okay, so what are all I'm launching now? One is smart notes. So one is smart notes. Actually, smart notes is divided into three modules. This is a colored notes completely. It's not handwritten. Actually, I even had handwritten notes, but later I decided to, enter into computer text. I mean, computer text format. Okay, so we designed a smart notes. See, this is actually, I have used particularly few colors where there is a meaning. Where there is a meaning. Example, uh, let me take you to the standards chapter. Let me take you to this is actually module 1. Don't worry, I will also tell you where to download this. I will also tell you in this video where you can download this particular smart notes. But first listen. See, just like that, don't download this notes. If you're already having a notes of some other faculty or some other author, already you're reading from that, don't download this and then use it. Okay, unnecessarily don't confuse your mind. Just because someone is giving a new notes, don't go and read blindly. You should have some brain. Okay, don't think that I'm harsh. You must have some brain. If at all you have not yet started, especially whoever is my students, especially, okay, like they're waiting for my smart notes for sure. I can sense it. There are close to 400 plus students in CA final advanced auditing. So all of you can download this soft copy. All of you can download this soft copy. In fact, we have our Telegram channels exclusively, private channel for CA final, right? So I'll share in that. Rest of the students, whoever have not taken classes with me, I will tell you where you can download this particular notes. So actually, if you take as per my main material, I divided entirely into 22 chapters. I divided entire syllabus of CA final advanced auditing into 22. As per institute, as per ICAI material, you have only 18 chapters maximum. You can see here. So what is the chapter order as per ICAI and what is the chapter order in our material? Whether it is smart notes or whether it is the main material. I will also show you the main material. Don't worry. Just watch this video till the end. You will understand what I'm trying to tell you. So here, this smart notes, I'm talking about smart notes. I divided smart notes into three modules. Right now, I'm releasing module 1. So what are there in the module 1? Fundamentals is covered, company audit is covered, reporting is covered, standards are also covered. Standards are covered at 65th page and closes at 90th page. Approximately within 25 pages, entire standards were given. You might say, sir, there are many colored notes which are available within 150 pages for entire auditing subject. How many pages your smart notes will come to close to? I think it will come close to 250. Sir, if it is 250 pages, how can we call it as a fast track notes? I'm not calling this as a fast track notes. I'm calling this as a smart notes. There is a there is a lot of difference between what is fast track notes and what is this particular notes. Let me tell you more clearly. If you read from a fast track material, you may understand what I mean. You may recognize or you may understand as a whole what is covered, but that fast track notes cannot give you the terminology grip. You will not get the grip on the terminology. You will not get the grip on the sentence framing. You cannot, based on the fast track material, you cannot improve your drafting skills in the exam for sure. That fast track material cannot be, it will not be helpful highly for drafting the answer in the examination unless you read the main material of any author or any faculty plus their fast track material thoroughly, then it will have a benefit. But whereas smart notes is something, abridged version of main material. The smart notes is nothing but abridged version of main material. Actually, my main material is close to 1000 pages. It will have practical questions, everything, entirely exhaustively we will discuss. Some students even felt this is very difficult notes, but I'm telling you, uh, if you read from ICAI material, Compared to ICAI material, my material is quite easy. I can confidently say that. Compared to ICAI material, my material is quite easy. Even I can make the material even more easier. But the problem is we must balance between examination standard and our preparation. What is base for our preparation is the material. If at all we made the material so simple, what is meant by so simple? Tell me. I need to cut the sentences. In fact, I need to cut some concepts so that material looks small for you. Or I need to reduce the font size. If I keep a font size of 9 or 10, this entire smart notes will fit into 150 pages. But I am keeping a font size of 12. I'm keeping a font size of 12 and I use always proper spacing. Even if it is my main material, I use a font size of 12. In fact, smart notes, I think I'm using a font size of 14. Yes, I think I'm using the font size of 14 or 12 only. It is 12 only. So since the font size is bigger, spacing is very proper. We have given proper spacing everywhere wherever required. So I cannot make it within 150 pages. Definitely. I cannot make it. I can bring you a feeling that, okay, if at all I reduce the font size, if at all I eliminate all the spacing, if at all I put everything in a compressed format, I can bring the entire notes within 100. But believe me, that's just a psychological, feeling. So like that's what happening in the market also. Even in the many fast track materials, what I notice is they give so much of content within a single page. So much of content. In fact, you need to use a magnifier to read some of the content. So don't aim for short materials. Don't aim for see, short materials, fast track materials. They may give you just an idea of the concept, but they may not help you in drafting your answer. So this notes will definitely help you. Just for example, I'll directly open standards. Example, you see the standards here. I gave an index of standards. We totally have 36 standards at CA final. You can even watch my audit marathon. CA final audit marathon is already there, right? You can just watch that. So you see here, whatever I have highlighted in blue color, you see here, for them I have given smart notes here. Suppose you take SQC1. I have not covered all the definitions, only few important definitions I covered. And now the cruxes. See how we should read. See, your reading skill is very, very important. First one, engagement partner. Who is an engagement partner? The partner or other person in the firm. Color changed. So your sound should also change. Whether you're reading internally or you're reading externally. The partner or other person in the firm who is a member of the institute is in full-time practice, responsible for the report and has the appropriate authority from a professional, legal and regulatory body. You see, only the highlighted text, if you see, you can filter so much of content and still you're getting meaning. And remember, whenever you're reading the smart notes, when the color has been changed, the way you read internally or externally, the sound has to be changed. Whenever the color has changed, you need to give a pause. Very simple. Whenever the color has changed, you need to give a pause. Suppose you see, what is the objective of SQC? To establish and maintain a system of quality control to provide reasonable assurance that firm and its personnel comply with respective standards, reports issued are appropriate. You see, whenever there is a change in color, you need to change your sound. And if you read with such kind of, punctuations, with such kind of pauses, you read more qualitatively. It's not how many times you read, it's with what qualitative level you're reading, that decides, your retention level. Your retention level depends upon the quality of reading, not the quantity of reading. So that's how this entire notes has been developed. You might say, sir, you only came up with module 1, still 2 more modules were there. By when it will come? It will take time, definitely it will take time. So I tried my level best to give it for May attempt itself, but module 2 and module 3 will come for November attempt. But anyhow, they will come within April end only. They will be coming 99%. They will be coming within April end only. Okay, still I have not finished explanation. Look at, so four chapters: fundamentals, company audit, reporting standards. 4 lengthiest chapters I covered. Even module 2 I'm going to release within another 10 to 12 days. Probably by April 12th I will release. What will be covered? Ethics will be covered, corporate governance is covered, liabilities is covered, peer review is covered. So they will be covered in module 2. Then coming to, sir, what is this index? You highlighted in gray color. What do you mean by that? They are second category chapters for me. Second category chapters. Audit under fiscal loss is a second category chapter. What do you mean by second category chapter? You need to read them at last. You need to first finish all first category chapters and then go and read the second category chapters. Whether you're reading in my material or whether you're reading from another material, whatever, choice is yours. So these are second category chapters. And for few chapters, I am not giving smart notes. What are they? For internal management operation audit, I am asking you to refer ICAI quick reference material. Please refer to ICAI quick reference material. Okay, what I'll do is I'll download quick reference material of ICAI and then upload it in the location where smart notes will be found. ICAI quick reference material is beautiful. For these chapters, IMO audit, due diligence, fraud investigation, forensic audit, even audit of PSU, ICAI quick reference material is beautiful. See, when someone has already created a beautiful product, why should we again has to bring the product? And I feel that's what healthy competition means. Just because I want to prove that every student should follow my notes. If I have that kind of monarchism, like, that thought, then in such a case I need to bring every chapter my own notes. But believe me, for these chapters, only for these chapters, you see, automated environment, risk assessment, planning strategy, PSU audit, forensic audit, investigation, due diligence, and IMO audit. Almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters totally. Totally 8 chapters. You can straight away read from ICAI quick reference material. Believe me, they're really good. Believe me, they're really good. Open ICAI website, BOS knowledge portal, open CA final. In that quick reference material, you will find, if you open auditing, you will find quick reference material. And remember, these chapters, automated environment, risk assessment, planning, and even PSU audit, forensic investigation, due diligence, IMO, these chapters generally will not have amendment at all. Whether you are a May attempt or November attempt, 2023, 2024, 2025, unless syllabus is changed. Until syllabus is changed. For these chapters, quick reference material is best material. Which is best available in the market. Yes, I've gone through entire that. It is really best. Then for remaining chapters, okay, bank audit, NBFC audit, insurance audit, and consolidated financial statements audit, I will give module 3 smart notes. And professional ethics, corporate governance, liabilities of auditor, peer review, qual review, I'll give you module 2 smart notes. Simple. So this is what this smart notes is all about. But first module, you are getting it right. Now you can start reading. Whoever want to go through with this, you can start reading. Now, sir, what about hard copy? Hard copy, I can make it available only after all the 3 modules are ready. Only after all the 3 modules are ready, I can make hard copy available. Now, this is only a soft copy colored notes. You can take a grayscale Xerox. Like you can take print of this with grayscale. Like wherever colors were used, the thickness of the print will be little lesser. Okay, so you need not worry, still it will come good qualitatively. You can just take this printout. Sir, where can I find this? Where can I find this? Just a minute. You download from the Play Store, Google Play Store, Android only compulsory, Google Play Store, Shrestha for CA and CMA. Download, login as a student. Okay, give your phone number and mail ID, login. Now left side corner there will be a menu. Click on that menu. Study material option will be there. Inside that, CA final you select. So here, smart notes, if you open smart notes module 1 is there. You can download here. Believe me, the smart notes will give you a lot of confidence. Even as a substitute to main notes, you can read this. As a substitute to the main notes, you can read this. And main material also I have released. My main material will have mainly 3 parts. Module 1, 2 and 3. Actually, to my students, this module 1 I split into 2 parts. 1A, because module 1 is almost 700 pages, bulky. So I make it into 350 pages and then give us 2 modules. Module 1, 1A. Actually, it's on a single module, but for printing purpose, we did like that. Whoever has purchased my auditing classes, for them we send hard copy. But for outsiders, I cannot do that. That administration I can't take care. Okay, so outsiders, whoever have not taken my class but still willing to read from my material, please download these 3 soft copies and then go ahead. Now here, one student expressed a doubt. Sir, you have given question bank, right? It hardly has 114 pages. The question bank is having only 114 pages. I came across some question banks, sir, where 20 attempts questions are given. Why you require all the 20 attempts question? Before 4-5 attempts. Before 4-5 attempts, and I can say up to 2018, the question papers are of very simple. In fact, I don't feel I don't feel there is a standard question in those attempts. Only from 2019, the question paper standards has been improved a lot. And if you just go through 2019 onwards questions, that's more than enough. And believe me, whoever is reading my material or whoever is listening my classes, especially main material, if you go through the main material which I'm providing, believe me, you need not even read any author's question bank. No need to read any author's question bank. Nothing, not required. Just to read from my main material. Single mark if you show me from some other source, I will prove, I will bet. Every mark out of 120, every mark, you can find the traces in my material for sure. My main material is approximately this module 1 is approximately 685 pages. Module 2 is approximately 117 pages, totally 800 pages hardly. From these 800 pages only you will get a question in the CA final exam. And the beauty of this material, this material has been completely drafted. This material has been completely drafted in question and answer format. Even most of the questions were discussed then and there. Examples, everything. Keywords are underlined. You know what is this underline signifies? What this underline signifies? This is a fast track material. If you take my main material and read only underlined items, it's a fast track material. Getting the point? So smart notes is for those who have not yet started any fast track material. If you read from smart notes, I'm telling you, you will have enormous clarity. I'll come up with another video on how to read smart notes, how to understand standards. So I'll come up with another video very soon. That's it. So I hope you understood what is smart notes, how my main material works out, and where to download them. So I hope you understood. So after discussing with so many people, after discussing with my colleagues in the fraternity, I released the direct soft copy. Generally at CA Inter, we are providing complete free soft copy for all the 8 subjects, and they were really successful, and I hope the same thing will repeat in CA Final Advanced Auditing as well. Okay, so whether you like this or not, that's your choice, but whatever I feel right, whatever is required, see, for me the objective is, it's not when the question paper is easy that my material is successful. It is when the question paper is the toughest and still the student was able to write that attempt very well, and the student did not feel that exam is tough in spite if it is a tough paper, and that's when my classes and that's when my notes is successful. It's not when the ordinary question paper comes my notes is successful. It's when the tough paper comes my notes will be successful. I hope you understood my intention. That's it. Thank you. Okay, share this video to your friends as well, because they may download. They can download, or if you download the notes, you can share it on Telegram or anywhere, whatever required. Thank you.